I heard people have problems with the R2 button and the L2 button, or sometimes your analog stick. I'm gonna teach you how to fix it, and some other ways and tips and tricks, and improve your controller too for next video. To, like, a little update if you want to with your controller. Keep up with the new generation. All right, let's get it.
And make sure you don't lose those screws, the 4 of those screws. Screw might fracture here. So if you first time opening your controller, you will have a little challenge.
Because plus it got a little seal when you're trying to open it. When you open, see right there? And then you open the other side. Be careful, because you don't want to mess this up inside. You'll see like a little strip of wire or something. Some people use these. It's more easy to pop open. Yeah, it's my first time opening this controller. This one just came right out. Well, don't open like how I just did. Alright, see this strip right here? Be careful when you open it like that. So that little baby goes right here. Alright, just the R2 button. It's the new generation, the R2 button. And then I'm gonna show you the old generation. Depends which one you have. So I'm just doing the new one first. Oh, for a note, when you take this out, take it off delicately. Mine just came off, it wasn't connected. Just came smooth off, but it ain't damaged nothing. And remember to move the battery. And you have another screw right here. This screw basically hold the controller together. I ain't talking about the whole controller, basically the main board. Keep everything down. When you're going through here to get to this part of here, don't forget to move this. This is the sensor to right here. That's the touch pad. I misplaced my R2 button. Where is it? R2 just stayed on there? Hold on a minute. So my R2 button fell on the ground. Alright. Oh, that's my other one. Okay. Don't worry, it's easy to click back on. nice and new. Alright, this the piece right here that I put the sensors in for your R2. No, it's your L2, R2, L1, R1. I thought, let me take it off. Take it right back off. Pull up before that. We're gonna take this off. This your rumbles. The other one. One only got one side and you got 4 on here. 4 over here. My bad, because sometimes you can't see what I'm showing you. I'm doing it off the phone. Okay. Right here is the sensor part that I basically like part of the motherboard that connects right here. So if you have any kind of problems, you gotta look at this grip. Sometimes it get dirty and stuff and you can't hit it. These are the parts you be hitting the black pieces. Some people have, let's see, this. That should have on every controller. That piece it pops right out. There it is. Don't worry, I ain't break it. This piece. This piece right here. Come on, focus. Alright, sorry about that. I had technical difficulty a little bit. Get the video went off. Alright, it's this piece. This right here is basically the sensor. Like the button no matched on. Sometimes this rolls away, so if you use basically a pencil, just using the lead, so you scrape off the lead off the pencil and rub it on here, and it'll be brand new again, basically. Same thing with TV remotes. You know how you press the button on the TV remote and it just sometimes not working? If you open the remote, you're gonna see these buttons right here under the remote. All you gotta do is just take a pencil, put some little lead right there inside the black stuff. Bam, your remote gonna be working like brand new. Okay, that's for the R2. If anything else is not working, like right here, these, same thing. They got the they all got one. So anything happen, check these. That's most likely what happened. If it still ain't working, and then it's these itself. And all I can tell you, if this is messed up, man, you might get a new controller. This is me of myself. I'm just letting you know, I'm talking about the blue plastic. I'm putting everything back. Oh yeah, before I forget, let's make sure I'm putting everything the right way. Let me see something. Okay, put that joke real quick. Yeah. So the one right here is like, it's like a little Audi. That's at the bottom. You know, see, it's a little different. That's with the new controller. Alright, the analog stick, you basically just take this off. That's just the cover, basically. The analog stick, sometimes it'll be this, be acting up, or this. See how it's moving? Gotta be precise. Side, side. No. Up, down. This side, side. It should be moving just a little bit. Perfectly fine. If the analog is acting up, that means you can replace this. You can take this off if you want to, and you can place it. But the main thing that you really hitting is these buttons. See it? Button right here. You're gonna have a button inside. You know, that's the L3. Hear that? You're basically like hitting a button. Now just go to the chip. You know, make everything react. This is the main thing. If this breaks, the whole motherboard breaks. Basically, you just have a controller with a basically nothing. Cause the one way ain't gonna work, this ain't gonna work, and definitely this ain't gonna work. Cause this is making the connection to the Bluetooth connection. This is connected to the main thing, so that's the middle. This piece right here is still headphones connected right here. You use this, I forgot what you can use this for, but you can use like for a scuff. You can put that in. I had something like that, but I gotta go look for it. So yeah. And I'll just tell y'all the upgrades, how you upgrade your controllers. It's basically, if you know what everything is, you can control it from right here, or you can control it on here on the motherboard itself. If you get it from the online, they'll have it like kind of like a little setup you can do for the online. And if you worry about putting this the wrong way, it's only one way you can put it. See? It's flat. It's only one way you can put it. And you gotta worry about breaking it, cause it ain't gonna break easy. Make sure everything's in place. Clip on from the side and the other side right here. Here, click, click, here. Before I put everything back, I gotta put back in this stick. The buttons. My bad if you cannot hear me properly. Speaking properly. I'm just a little nervous because I ain't do this video for a while like that. So why don't you just go with it? There it is. Check this is gonna work. The video got too long, so I had to shorten it. And the new controller got the thing going up, so it connect back here, right here. Put everything in place. Should easily click back on. At this point, this the part you've been watching for this long. You just OG. I started putting it back in the control. If you feel like leaving, you can leave. But like and subscribe. It took me a while to put back on the touchpad to the point the video got too long way to go. So just letting you know, I cut some of it out, but it's still long. So sorry about that.